vlog. I'm in Walmart trying to make a toilet paper fort. Going pretty well so far. I haven't been caught yet, so that's good, I guess. There's a lady right there. I'm back. I decided to go for a bike ride because I have nothing else to do. Biking is hard. Forgot how hard this was. I don't know why people do this for fun. It's a lot of work. You gotta move your legs, try to stay balanced. Be great vlog content if I wrecked. Yeah, I would. Update. I've went for like 4 more seconds and I'm really tired. It doesn't help that I'm going slightly uphill and it's really hot outside. I think it's like 304 degrees or something like that. If we see anybody, I ask them if they want to be, oh my god, going sideways. I'll ask them if they want to be in my vlog, because that'd be cool. People I don't know, right? I might need help. Help me. I have now decided to turn around because I want to go downhill and I can go a lot faster, not as hard. So we're going, oh, fast. Ah, we're going fast. I feel rain. Raindrop. Drop, drop. I'm going fast. I'm going fast. Vroom. Vroom. Skkrt. Ah! So, it says be safe. Wear a helmet. But I don't wear no helmet because I'm not safe. I'm a bike rider. Skkrt, skkrt. Fast, fast, rain.